Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a multi-tool inside of SigmaNEST. Multi-tools can be very useful when trying to utilize turret space. In order to create a multi-tool inside of SigmaNEST, your machine post must be set up properly. If you have a multi-tool, but your post is not set up, please contact us at SigmaNEST.com so we can take care of that for you. Go to the Tool Manager. If your machine is set up for multi-tools, you will have a multi-tool tab. Click on the tab and select New. Either enter a tool name or have one populated automatically. Next, select the tool type and enter in a description for the tool. After you pick a tool type, a filter will be applied to show you which tools are available for this multi-tool. Simply drag the tools into the station. When finished, click OK. Now drag your new multi-tool into your turret. And that's all there is to it.